Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all just hang in there. This is going to be a short video. Don't be skipping through it. Went to a garage sale Saturday and got everything you see right here on this tray. Hang in there because I got a surprise for you. I got one more other thing I bought at a garage sale I want you to see. But look at this Shakespeare. There's Shakespeare right here. Nice and smooth. Needs a little work on the bell. But other than that, that's really smooth. Got this little off-brand. I'm not sure what kind of reel it is. The name's hard to read, but man, this thing works. It needs a little cleaning, but other than that, it works. Got this Abu Garcia. Drag seems to work. Everything works, but the worm gear just slides it back and forth. That's an easy fix. Y'all hang in there. You're going to miss a surprise. Don't be skipping through. If you want to do anything, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Got this loose. Man, look at this loose. Look how smooth this thing is. Man, that thing is nice for a bait caster. Boy, you could go do some bass fishing with this thing. Here comes the surprise now, what y'all been waiting on. I'm going to move these off the tray. Show you this surprise I got. A brand spanking new Abu Garcia. Brand spanking new Vengeance. Man, this thing ain't even been used. Look at this. Still got the plastic on the spool. You know, you buy them and they got plastic on the spool when they got string on them. Brand new. It's not scratched or anything. Everything you see here on this tray, right here, all of these reels. I was at the garage sale at 7:30 in the morning when the man opened his gate. I got everything on this tray for 50 bucks. That's why I like garage sales. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in, and thank you for hanging in there with me and not skipping through. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Till next time, go fishing. Happy RVing. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.